Hey, Brian from Garage Wall Hall. I have an amazing product for you to check out. So let's go. All right, look at this kit. So it's 1,000 pieces, O-ring plus plumbing washer kit, 36 different sizes. I mean, look at all these sizes that you get in here and how many pieces. Let me open this kit up. I love how it's in its own case. So anything that you need, you're going to be able to find in here. So, I mean, you have all these small little washers. And I use this for a lot of automotive repairs as well, especially some of these little washers for some of the vacuum lines that I run across on different vehicles. But, I mean, look at all these different hose sizes that you get. I mean, it's just, I mean, it's such a complete kit. Like, you know, you even have some of these strainers for different nozzles on your different sinks and stuff that you run across in your house. But instead of running to a hardware store, you got everything right here in this kit. And then something that is super handy is you have this little tool that comes with it with all these different pick attachments. And actually I put that on here. And my hands are a little cold here today in the studio. But you can see all these different attachments that you get. This one I especially like. This comes in so handy. Like some of these smaller little O-rings, I do some work on different reach chainsaws and stuff like that. And like this whole top row comes in super handy for that. But you'll be surprised at how often you're going to need a washer. And this is like a complete kit. I have 2 busy households. And this is my go-to when I'm doing any type of plumbing or hose repair or automotive repair or anything else. These are all pretty much like the common sizes that you're going to get. But anyway, Brian from Garage Wall Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.